Hi guys, today we're going to be replacing the cup hole cover. It's down there, yeah, and yeah, it broke. So we got one from Take a Lot. It was 409 rand. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be replacing it with this, and then I'll show you guys how to go about it. Alrighty. So yeah, to start, we're just gonna open up here and take out this plastic, that, and we're gonna need a torque screw just to get that out. First time around, nope. Yes. Just unscrew that. And then supposed to take out this trim panel. From what I saw, you don't need a trim remover. You can do it with your hands. There we go. Well, there that goes. And then, yeah, here's the culprit. Sliding right out. So this is the outgoing one. This is the one that's going in. Quality seems fairly the same. So, yeah, I don't know how much it costs to get it from Mercedes Benz. But I'll check and put it on the video as well, because I didn't even care to check. I'm being cold, so I'm gonna finish up this video. So yeah, to put it back in, just simply slot it back, harakoso, and that's it. And then it's back in. Then you simply, okay, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna have to take this out again and clean it up, because no ways. But yeah, just simply put that back. And put the screw back in. Oh, yeah, one tab button clicked in the middle. That's in now. Everything is back and sturdy. And as you can see, we're almost done. Wait. Done. Just like that. That's how you replace this cover. All done. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.